awesome people, I'm Ellie Awesome and you're watching App Chat, and I'm really excited to share with you a way I have found to get free iTunes cards, free Xbox Live points, free Steam gift cards, and more. And honestly, it's 100% legit. It's actually real. I always see spam comments on my app videos saying, oh, go to this website, do this, blah, 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 and you'll get free iTunes cards. And it's just spam, it's a scam, and it's just, oh, it's so annoying. I do not like that. But this is real, so I'm really excited to share with you this service today.
Hey there! Are you looking for a website where you can get free Amazon, eBay, Facebook, Xbox, Steam, iTunes and other gift codes? You found it! Still don't know how? Follow the instructions.